Yasin Bhatkal, exclusive information coming in that a laptop and a mobile phone have been recovered from him. The agencies expect to gather vital information about the communication networks used by Bhatkal to stay in touch with his bosses in Pakistan as well as other places. Nikunj is joining us now live and getting us more details on this. What can you tell us at this point?
Well, I can certainly confirm to you that, as you were mentioning, a laptop and a mobile phone have been recovered from Yasin Bhatkal's personal possession. This is a laptop that Yasin Bhatkal has personally been carrying around the country on various occasions when he has been tailed by the security and the law enforcement agencies. More importantly, the intelligence agencies are expecting some sort of serious breakthrough about the international connectivity of Indian Mujahideen from the data that they can gather from this laptop and the mobile phone. Remember, Yasin Bhatkal is a very tech-savvy terror commander. He knows very clearly that too much use of a mobile phone can certainly put him into the net of the law enforcement agencies, and that is why he has used intensively voice over internet protocols, which he is very clearly aware is very difficult to track and crack by the intelligence agencies. And those voice over internet protocol details can certainly be gathered from his laptop. This is the estimation, this is the understanding of the intelligence agencies, and that's what they're hoping. Right. That once he lands in a Delhi court, his custody is handed over to them, and the laptop is sent to the CDFD for the examinations. They can certainly get to know the web of connectivity at the international level, also of course at the national level that the Indian Mujahideen has.